Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the Forex pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, US dollar for 8 March 2021 Monday. So this analysis is for Monday only. I'll be coming back again on Tuesday with Tuesday's analysis. Okay. So let's jump to the chart. So you can see that the last traded price of Australian dollar, US dollar or AUD USD is 0.7675. Okay. So you can see I have marked two important levels on the market. Okay. So we need to wait for the market to come down to this level or to market reach this level. Okay. If market starts coming down, if market starts coming down, then we just need to observe how the price reacts around this level or on this level. If we see that market is taking support at this level, and okay, there is a good amount of support available. Okay, and if market bounces from here, okay, with good amount of volume, if you see some good price rejection from below, okay, and good candles and all, good healthy candles and all, then you can buy here. Okay. If you see good price rejection from below and good market reversal, okay, and on the other hand, if you see that market after market hitting this level 7580 level, market has made a big fat red candle, okay, and the selling pressure is still very high. At that point of time, you can short the market here. On the other hand, if market starts going upward, then you need to observe how the price reacts once it hits the 0.7834 level. If market crosses this level, okay, then you just need to wait for 1 hour. Okay, you just wait for the market to trade above the level comfortably for 1 hour. Okay, let it trade above comfortably, let the market feel comfortable, let the resistance become the support, then only you should go ahead and place the buy order, okay, above this level. If market fails to cross this level and market starts giving price rejection from above, and if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern and good price rejection from above, then you can short the market below this level, okay, 7834 level. So these two are the important levels for the market. And in case if you get a breakout, okay, remember you need to wait for 1 hour so that you can get the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become a support. Okay, at that point of time you can go long and your target will be 8000. So these are the two levels that you need to watch on Monday for AUD USD. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs, then you can check my Forex analysis playlist in my YouTube channel. Okay, and please do not forget to subscribe for daily market analysis, because I always try to bring the analysis just before the market. So so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much and good luck.